Today I'm unboxing and trying out this facial steamer that I was sent to try out. Inside of the box you receive a small face tool set, a cute spa headband, a measuring cup, the steamer in 2 pieces, and the instructions manual. And here's how it looks all put together, and now it's time to try it out. First, add water to the device using the included measuring cup. Then plug in the device and press the power button. Once the water heats up, steam will start to form. Hold the steamer a comfortable distance from your face and steam it to help clean and hydrate your skin.